Hi guys! Mag-early dinner tayo sa Corkscrew Barbecue. 10 years na namin ito pinaplano. Pero hindi kami makapunta dito kasi until 4 PM lang. So for today, 3:45 na. Nagmamadali si Papa. Are they still open? Walang tao. Wala ganang tao, Papa. Mamadali asaho. Are they still open? So finally guys, after 2 years na planning na kumain dito sa Corkscrew Barbecue, finally makakain na tayo together here. So samahan nyo kami. And then located nga pala to guys sa Spring, Texas. So ito yung ating order, a barbecue platter which is meat by the pound. So you can choose whatever brisket you want, how many pound. And we also have pulled pork. So, prime all-natural farm raised to guys yung mga pork nila. So, meron din tayong garlic sausage, brisket. And dito sa barbecue platter nila guys, included na yung mga extras side dishes. So, ang pinili namin is mac and cheese. Meron din si Totong beans. First bite na. We also have potato salad. Top with cheese. First bite. Sarap. Sama? Papa, gutom na gutom ah. Can you put me some, Papa? Dapat nag-bound tayo ng rice. Rice is life. Sarap. So, alam nyo ba guys, itong garlic sausage nila yung pinaka nagustuhan ko. Talagang with natural ingredients. Homemade yata nila to guys eh. So, hindi ako mahilig sa sausage, pero ngayon dito sa Corkscrew, nagustuhan ko talaga. Thank you! O diba, ganun kabilis lang yung ating pagkain sa Corkscrew Barbecue. Kasi dumating kami 15 minutes bago mag 4 PM. So, talagang magko-closing na sila. Ayan, sold out. Open lang sila ng Wednesday to Saturday. Ang laki ng lutuan nila, nak. So guys, spacious din yung restaurant nila. May outdoor tables and chairs. Ang laki, nak. Yan yung lutuan nila. So, every time na close yung store nila, guys, dito sila nagluluto. I think more than 24 hours nila niluluto yung mga brisket nila. Sunday to Tuesday? Monday, Tuesday. Ito yung lutuan nila, guys. Ang laki, diba? Ang sarap talaga ng barbecue. Busog ako. Corkscrew.